Will it be recording also?
Yes, of course. You will get the recordings. You will also get the handmade notes. The notes which generally I will be preparing live inside every session. Okay, that notes you will be getting.
So
Okay.
what happened? I would tell you that a little bit background stuff.
Yeah, yeah,
Similarly,
yeah.
because 4 years ago, I have already placed on that ServiceNow in Accenture, but somehow
Okay.
due to this fear of this scripting, I could not join. My
Oh, really?
of that. Yeah. They are saying that you will have to do that L3 level scripting.
Okay,
But
okay.
unfortunately, you can say that all 3 levels they have never asked any kind of scripting query. That's the reason I got selected. But I already knew about that basic thing because my background is at ITSM and ITOM. So I'm
Okay, okay,
basically
perfect.
working on that competitor of that service now, which is Symphony AI.
Okay, they are the competitors of service now.
No, actually I got already selected, but somehow I could not join. Why? Because I had no idea about anything about that scripting. I thought if I get joined, if I get start working, if I get that scripting task, how will I do that?
I got it. I got it. Yeah. Okay. So now, ultimately, you came to know that I have to learn scripting. There
Yeah.
is no way. Okay.
There is no way.
But the
Everyone told
best
me that
part.
yes, you can crack
Okay.
your interview, you can join that, but ultimately, whenever you get a project, once they found that you are not able to capable even a simple scripting thing, that it will be very bad for you.
Okay, the best part is you have really joined a brilliant platform, I must say, especially for scripting and integration. That is what something we are known for. So, and that this is not only that I'm saying. So, even if you just type, I will just share my screen quickly, okay? So, I will just type, tell me something about HackNow. I hope you are able to see my screen, right?
Yes.
See, even Google, this is not like something which I am saying. Google is saying, see. And if I click on this AI mode, okay. So see, I just type, tell me something about HackNow and see. Okay, if I write, provide, do they provide scripting trainings like that? Okay, if I hit enter, so see. So, okay, now just have a look. Yes, HackNow provides extensive scripting training, specifically tailored for developers and IT professionals. See, scripting courses offered. See, means this is not something if I would have been telling, you would be getting a thought I'm doing a marketing. Okay, but see, this is like Google is saying, if I write, are they rocking? If I just write, are they rocking? Okay, so just this is what Google will say. See, highly rated reputation. Getting my point. This is
Yeah, I
not
know
like
that.
I'm saying.
That is the reason I joined. Even mean to say, if I get this kind of a training, 5 years ago, I would have already placed on that service.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Definitely, the moment we are going to complete this training, believe me, you will be proud of yourself that you at least joined a good platform and that you took a right decision to join HackNow and not any other platform.
Exactly.
So you will feel
Even
proud of
I
it.
also even I
Yes,
also
sir.
come from that some of my colleagues told me because that is
Yeah.
amazing.
And this is what we are known for. And when I say known for, that means of course people are loving us. They are giving lots of love to us. Apart from that, even Google is also spreading equal amount of love. And this is right now you just only saw, right? Everything is told by Google itself. I'm not doing any kind of marketing. So that is something we have achieved down the line so many years, and still we are pipeline to achieve more and more heights, more and more success, customer success basically. Okay, so that's the plan.